Remember to subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon to never miss an update from First Cry Parenting.
Rice porridge recipe for babies. Rice porridge is an ideal first food for babies who are more than 6 months of age. This meal is easily digestible, highly nutritious, and less likely to cause an allergic reaction. Here's how you can make rice porridge for your weaning baby, as it makes a wholesome meal idea. Cooking time needed: 10 minutes for preparation, 15 minutes for cooking, 25 minutes in total. Gas stove to be used as method of cooking. Suitable for weaning babies older than 6 months of age. Ingredients needed: 2 tablespoons of parboiled rice, 1.5 cups of water. Cooking instructions: take 2 tablespoons of rice and wash it well. Drain out the water completely and dry it for an hour under the sun or shade. Dry roast the dried rice in a pan until it turns light and fluffy. Grind the rice in a mixer to form a coarse powder. Take 2 teaspoons of the coarse rice powder and 1 cup of water in a pan. Cook it on low flame for about 5 minutes. Mix it well, ensure no lumps are formed, and the porridge gets a saucy consistency. Switch off the flame and let it cool down. Pour it into a bowl before serving it to your baby. Recipe tips: this simple rice porridge recipe can be made healthier by adding 1/4 of a teaspoon of pure coconut oil or ghee for underweight babies. You can soak the rice in water for about 6 hours before rinsing it, as it gets broken down for easy digestion. Do not add sugar or salt in the porridge for babies less than 1 year of age. Introduce rice porridge in its diluted form for about a week. Once your baby is comfortable and gets no allergic reactions, you can make it thicker. You can add a pinch of ajwain, carom seeds, or moong dal to add flavor to this recipe for toddlers. Adding breast milk or formula milk can enhance the nutritional value of this recipe. Any fruit puree or mashed potato can also be added to the cereal instead of milk. If the rice porridge thickens after cooling down, adjust with warm water. Nutrition information: for 1 cup, energy 675 kilocalories, carbohydrates 147 grams, protein 13 grams, sodium 9 milligrams, fiber 2 grams, fat 1 gram, potassium 212 grams, calcium 52 milligrams. Buying guide: pay attention to the color, texture, and appearance before choosing rice. Organic brown rice has more nutritional value. Make sure that the rice does not have weevil, stones, or any lubricant content in them. Buy from a trusted store that guarantees quality for its price, as sometimes old and new rice varieties can be mixed to cheat the customers. Homemade rice porridge for babies is highly recommended for babies, as it is a safe baby cereal substitute than packaged products readily available in the supermarket. This delicious dry powder can be your constant companion during travel and can be served almost every day of the week.